Save 26% on your wood and pellet heater with the new 2021 tax credit. At the end of 2020, a new spending legislation and pandemic relief package was signed into law. This new tax credit, which runs from January 2021 through the end of December 2023, applies to consumers buying high-efficiency residential heating or hot water system equipment that burns biomass, wood pellets, chips, or cordwood as the fuel. You will be able to claim a 26% tax credit that has no cap or lifetime limit, applies to primary and secondary residences, which means you can buy for more than one property and claim the credit for each property, based on the full cost of purchase and installation of the unit. The credit will remain at 26% through this year, 2021, and next year, 2022, and then step down to 22% in 2023. The wood-burning furnace, pellet stove, home heating, or hot water system must be purchased and installed between January 1st, 2021 and December 31st, 2023. It must burn biomass fuel such as wood pellets, wood chips, or cordwood. It must run at 75% efficiency heating value or higher and meet EPA standards. The tax credit is applied towards the total purchase and installation costs of your new or upgraded home heating system on your tax form. To claim this credit, purchase a qualifying wood or pellet stove that meets the efficiency and biomass standards. You must be a homeowner and file your 2021 taxes to receive the tax credit savings. Retain the receipts from your purchases as well as the manufacturer's certificate stating the stove qualifications. Claim this tax credit when you file your federal taxes on IRS Form 5695 under Residential Energy Efficient Property Credit. For help understanding which units qualify for this credit or which unit would be best for your space, give one of our experts a call at 1-888-900-3472.